Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform ear tip fit test for your earbuds Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. You have to start by open Galaxy Wearable application, and if you add your earbuds to the app you will see the same menu. Right here you need to scroll down and go to Earbuds Settings. And right here we have earbud fit test, so you need to tap at this line. Now put your earbuds to your ears and then click start, and it will play a sound for you, and then we will see a feedback. So start and don't speak, just wait until it finished. And right here we have a feedback. You can go back and then return right here and check with another ear tips. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!